So welcome back everyone to the final week of the 4 weeks of fall with At Home with Zane. This is week number 4. And if you've watched any of my previous videos of the 4 weeks of fall, you know that I've shared with you some fall fallbacks. And I have a playlist on my channel of all of the different weeks that I've shared with you. And today I'm going to share with you week number 4. And week number 4, I decided to share with you a tasty, simple treat for Halloween. And it's these Oreo cookie witches hats. They're very simple to make and they were a lot of fun to do. So let's take a look. Hi YouTube, it's Zane here from At Home with Zane. And today I'm going to share with you a cute little DIY. It's very simple, but it's a really adorable DIY for a Halloween party or a class party. It's creating these Oreo cookie witches hats. They are so cute and so simple to do, and I'm going to share with you the products that I'm using and then also give you a little step-by-step on how to create them. So first off, obviously you're going to need Oreo cookies, and then you also need Hershey's Kisses, and then I used the Wilton decorating icing, and the color that I chose was red for the piping. And then I used the Wilton yellow candy melts for the little square on the hat. So the thing I like about the Wilton frosting is that I think for store-bought it tastes pretty good, and also you can buy them in the tube, and then they have the companion tips that go with it, and it's relatively inexpensive, and they have several different tips. So for this one, I am using the fine point tip that you would use for writing, and then again I used the color red, and then the yellow Wilton candy melts for the little buckle on the hat. So the first thing you want to do is take your Oreo cookie, and you want to pipe out in the center a pretty good amount, but you don't want to overly fill the center of the cookie. But you do need to put a good dollop there, because then when you press down your Hershey's Kiss, you do want it to squeeze out of the edges, because then once you've got your frosting out the edges, that's what you're going to put your little buckle on. So in front of that, you just simply stick your little buckle, and how cute is that? And hopefully you can kind of see it from where you are. But these are really easy to do, and like I said, they're unique, they're cute, they're inexpensive, they don't really take any time at all. You just squirt your frosting on there, take your Hershey's Kiss. I cut my candy melts into little squares, so that, again, I could just attach them to the front of the cookie with the frosting, and then that creates your little buckle. And so these are going to be a really big hit if you use them for a party, a Halloween party of your own, or if you use them for a classroom party. The best way to transport these would be in something that has a deep lid, because you want to make sure that you don't smash the top of your Hershey's Kiss. But then you just simply put your little belt buckle on the front of it there, and it's really simple. So we'll do our last one here. Again, you just pipe some frosting into the center. Very easy with these Wilton decorating frosting. Push your Hershey Kiss down in the center, grab your little belt buckle and put it in the center of your cookie, and then you have these adorable little witches hats, Halloween treats. So this is just a short, simple little DIY for a tasty treat for your Halloween party. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please leave your comments below. You can visit my website, www.athomewithzane.com. We'll look for you the next time, and remember, it's your home. Create a space you'll truly love. So I hope you all have enjoyed this video as much as I've enjoyed sharing these throwbacks with all of you. If you haven't done so, subscribe to my channel. Check out my video description for links to all my social media sites, my Instagram, my Pinterest, my Facebook. The online At Home with Zane store is on there as well. Be sure and check that out. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll look for you the next time.